Well, hello, folks. Getting a view of what the hell is ever going on here, but this is kind of creepy. We have a yellowish hue to the sky, and it's raining now. Don't know what the hell is going on, but I think we got it. There was a real bad thunderstorm was hitting the Chatham area earlier. Austerlitz, yep, and it's here by the looks of it. And by the looks of it, it's coming this way. Lightning safety tip. If you could hear thunder, lightning could strike from 10 miles away from the actual storm. Just remember that. So if you're standing next to like this flagpole or God knows what, or standing near a tree or fence, you could get struck from 10 miles away. This is almost a repeat from 2010 by the looks of it. This shit was supposed to go south of us, and it ain't. I think it's coming right in this direction. I want to see if I can get, without getting seriously screwed here, like I did up in Hinsdale. Yeah, this storm looks. Oh, look at it over here. Jesus. This doesn't look at all pleasant. Boy, I wish it was face. That storm sounds like it gets right at our back door.